So, mali. So, ayan. Utah Jazz versus Los Angeles Clippers naman tayo mga boss. So, Jazz versus Clippers game info. Jazz 13 wins, 40 loss, 14th on the West. Clippers 30 wins, 23 loss, 6th on the West. Kailan? Thursday, February 13, 2025, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 10 a.m. February 14 here in Manila dito sa Pilipinas. So ayan, home court po ng Utah Jazz. So spread Jazz plus 8, Clippers minus 8, over and under 226. So ayan, yan yung game info natin. So home court ng Utah Jazz, bigyan natin sa kanila yung home court advantage. Panalo sila kanina kontra Lakers. Gravity. Nawala yung Luka Magic. So, health and availability, Taylor Hendricks out, Colin Sexton out, KJ Martin out. So, for the Clippers, Drew Eubanks out, Ben Simmons out, Chris Dunn, day to day. Kawhi Leonard out. So, kanina highest pointer si Kawhi Leonard, pero mamaya bukas hindi siya lalaro. Bakit kaya? Bakit ganun? Bakit di na naman siya lalaro? Pero okay lang, tara, tuloy tayo. So, for the health and availability, bigay natin sa Jazz kasi hindi lalaro yung best player ng Clippers, si Kawhi. Siya pa ba? Siya pa ba ang best player nila? Mukhang hindi na rin no? Si Norman Powell na ata ang best player nila ngayon So, ayan. So, momentum, LA Clippers have won their previous 2 games. The Clippers had the edge in the most recent matchup between these two teams. 6 wins and 4 losses in the past 10 games. The Jazz have won 3 and lost 7 of their last 10 games. The Jazz won against the Lakers on their previous game. So, ayun, nanalo yung Utah Jazz kanina. Kala mo sure win na, pero nung nangyari, Lakers. So, kung makita natin, ang momentum bigay natin sa Clippers. Kahit pareha sila nanalo kanina, parang pakiramdam ko Clippers pa rin yung momentum kasi hindi pa ata nanalo ngayong season yung Jazz sa Clippers. So, ayan, lagay na natin yung prediction natin. So, ayan, Clippers minus 8. Bakit Clippers minus 8? Kasi yung mga games nila, ng Jazz at sa Clippers, laging double digits yung lamang. So, anong ipagbabago nun dito? Dahil home court, saka momentum ng Jazz, pero hindi rin. Momentum din ng Clippers. Mas malakas yung tinalo nila kanina. Tinalo nila yung Memphis Grizzlies. Lakas-lakas nun, tinalo nila. So, ayan, kaya Clippers minus 8 tayo. So, mahina din kasi yung Jazz ngayon. Parang pakiramdam ko, pinagbigyan lang ng Lakers yun So, ayan. Again, Clippers minus 8. So, base yan sa mga pagsusuri ko sa kanilang momentum sa mga laro nila. So, talagang laging tambak yung Jazz. So, ayun guys, kung nagustuhan nyo yung mga pinaggagawa natin dito, pa-subscribe naman guys. Saka pa-like na rin pa-like and pa-subscribe guys para updated kayo pag nag-post ulit ako. And special reminder, only bet money what you can afford to lose. Don't bet your money that you cannot afford to lose. Saka wag tayo bumomba masyado bukas. I-date natin yung mga partners natin guys. Happy Valentine's. That's all.